The available Alexa built-in feature on your Hyundai allows you to control vehicle features, control your music, and more.
Take me to the airport.
I found a few airports.
Setting up the feature is simple. First, you'll need to have an active Bluelink account for your vehicle. Next, you'll need an Amazon account. If you already have one, you're ready to set up the feature. Turn on your Alexa built-in equipped Hyundai and select Alexa from the touchscreen. You can use the QR code and vehicle code to sign in, or use the website and code to sign in. Once you've opened the website, enter the vehicle code. Select Continue on your smartphone and select Allow to agree to the terms and conditions. Congratulations! You've connected your Hyundai to Alexa built-in. The touchscreen will then provide you with several options that you can allow or skip. These are to help Alexa better understand your preferences and provide more personalized responses. You will also be asked to enable Push to Talk. This will change how the voice recognition button operates. When Push to Talk for Alexa built-in is enabled, a short press on the voice recognition button will operate Alexa.
Alexa, will it rain today?
Rain is expected around 5 p.m. It should last about 20 minutes.
And with the wake word, you can use Alexa built-in by just saying Alexa and asking a question or giving a command.
Alexa, take me to the airport.
I found a few airports. There's John Wayne Airport.
Now you are ready to use Alexa built-in. There are many things you can use this feature for, and you can explore them in the Things to Try list on the Alexa screen. You can also adjust settings for Alexa built-in on this screen, and if you ever need to sign out of your account, you can do so easily. On the Alexa page, select Settings, then General, then Sign Out. For more information on using Alexa in your Hyundai, see the Multimedia Quick Reference Guide, which you can find a link to in the video description below. And be sure to visit HyundaiHowTos.com, My Hyundai, and the Hyundai USA YouTube channel for more helpful videos for your Hyundai.